Folks, unboxing video time. This should be an EVGA 750 watt power supply. Let's go ahead and get it open. Alright, so here is our EVGA power supply, and wrapped in plastic. So let me go ahead and, hopefully I can cut this without cutting myself. Amazing how things move around on you when you're on a countertop. You can only use one hand. Alright, so this is, I don't know if they still call these like the 750 watt white, this is our low efficiency one. Unlike the bronze and the gold's one of the better ones. I think they even have platinum. I've never bought the platinum ones, but I have bought gold. I do like the gold ones. So we're going to look at all the connectors in here. And that one is in English. So, can you read that? Ultra quiet fan, 120 millimeter, provides up to 59 amps, 708 watts on the plus 12 volt rail. Active power factor correction. 2-year warning. Right? So, hopefully, we won't need that 2-year warning. Alright. What do we got here, folks? What do we got? So, same manual is used in the 750, 650, and 550. There's the little spec page. And move on. Cable configuration. We saw that. So let's go ahead and get it out of here. So really, I'm big into modular, fully modular, semi-modular, and this obviously is not. Here is the power receptacle. On the back of this piece of cardboard are the 4 screws to install it. Alright, let me untie this. Alright, so here is our 20 plus 4 or 24 pin power connector. This is going to come from the, obviously the power supply to the motherboard. You've got SATA, and another SATA on that cable. Here is a 1x8 or 2x4 CPU connector. Molex, and that guy. I never use those. Here is for your graphics card. These are 6+2. SATA. Lots of SATA, right? I will never even use more than like one of those. Alright, so there's that. Now, of course, EVGA, pretty darn good quality. That's why I continue to buy them for the channel. This guy's nice and solid. Looks good. And that's going to do it, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.